Today, we're going to talk about a major key in real estate. Let's talk about what's possibly holding you back from being successful in real estate. You want to talk about it? Well, let's tap in. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I want to announce a giveaway. Listen, I want to help you on your journey, so I will be giving away one of these options to a blessed winner. You can choose a 1 hour coaching call on real estate, or you can choose a 1 hour coaching call on how to grow your monthly income. You can also choose a month to attend 2 of my classes that are held monthly on real estate. First winner will be announced once we've reached 100 subs. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment below. I look forward to announcing the winner on our giveaway live, so stay tuned. Now, on to the video. I'm going to jump right into what I think could be holding you back in real estate. A lot of things can be attributed to your success in real estate. However, I believe there is one thing that will be the best catalyst, and it will always serve as the best catalyst for your success in real estate. Some people think that it's money. Some people think that it's time. Some people think that it's just plain out fear that's keeping them from being successful in real estate. But I want to let you know that one thing that is keeping you from being successful in real estate is. Hold up, y'all. Pause. Before I tell y'all that, let me ask y'all real quick to do me a favor. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and start sharing. Go ahead and subscribe or follow. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. Now, let me give y'all the major key that I think is keeping people away from being successful in real estate. I know that was crazy of me to ask y'all to do that for me real quick before I gave y'all the most important thing or the major key in real estate, but I really appreciate you guys doing that for me. I really, really, really do. The biggest thing that you need in real estate, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, is a strategy. A strategy can help you overcome the lack of funds. Strategies can help you facilitate time. And strategies can help alleviate the fear simply because you know what you're doing. I've said it time and time again. Fear is only there because you don't know what you're doing. But if you know what you're doing, then fear can't be present. Okay. And if you know what you're doing, nobody can keep you from doing this and doing this successfully. Okay. So that's why I say the most important key and the major key in real estate is strategy, because it will help you alleviate all the worries, all the fears, all the things you think you need, because there's a strategy for everything. And so if you can get a strategy, then you can be successful. A lot of y'all don't know that there are several ways to do real estate. And there's several ways on how you can get there in those several ways of doing real estate. So not only are there a whole bunch of ways you can do real estate, there's several ways inside each one of those strategies that can get you there. And I know some of y'all may be asking, well, hey, how can I get some of these strategies? Y'all ask such great questions. I give out these strategies all the time on my coaching calls and on my classes that I hold twice a month. And just a quick plug, we're having a class on August the 17th, this upcoming weekend, so that you can plug in and get involved. All you got to do is check the links in the comments and check the links in the description for the class called Getting Started in Real Estate. That's right. The class is called Getting Started in Real Estate, and it's being held this Saturday, August the 17th. So if you want to know how to get these strategies, if you want to know how to be successful in real estate, I encourage you to get in on either a coaching call or get in on the classes that are held twice a month. I just had a class last weekend and I'm having one this upcoming weekend. So get plugged in, get involved with those classes so that you can get the strategies you need so that you can be successful in real estate. All right. So again, check the links in the comments and check the links in the description. Go ahead and sign up for the classes. Stop waiting so that you can be successful going forward. All right. We appreciate you guys checking out this video, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.